Hello YouTube friends. I just want to show you what you get into when you're dealing with some of these aftermarket parts sometimes. This is the radiator for 2008 Honda Odyssey. This is the original. I believe this was the original factory air conditioning unit. It's a Denso model. No signs of it being replaced before. Actually though, this fan that's on it was replaced, and the fan is what ruined the unit, damaged the unit to where it couldn't be used, had to be replaced. The fan rubbed right here. You can see the bottom edge of the fan rubbed right along this line here, cut a hole in it. So this is the fan. I'll show you how it rubbed in here. So it would have rubbed in right here. You see there's no clearance. It's laying right on the coils, and around here it's laying on the coils also. So the fan was running and working right, so I'm going to either bend these tabs to where I can get a 1/4 inch or so gap, or I'm going to put some spacers under it. I'm a little leery of the spacers because if they vibrated out, it could be a problem. So I'm probably going to see how it works out to try to bend the tab maybe right in here on the fan and see how that works out. The top seems to have a pretty good gap till we get down to about right here. And you'll notice that the aftermarket unit, the holes don't line up real well. In fact, he had left, the mechanic that did the work on it last time had left this bolt out, and I'm assuming it's because the bolt just wouldn't go in, because if you line up all the rest of the bolts, that bottom bolt won't go in. So aftermarket fan unit and aftermarket air conditioner, but actually radiator. But actually, and the original fan unit went out. It's what caused the compressor on the air conditioner to go out also. So just the things you get into. I just wanted to show you that. When you're putting a new one in, make sure you've got some room in there so it doesn't rub, because this thing spins up and vibrates, and we'll rub a hole right in it, just like that. Alright YouTube, appreciate you liking and subscribe. Have a great day.